Are you unknowingly sabotaging your financial future? You might be surprised to learn that some of your daily habits could be keeping you from ever getting rich. But don't worry, we're about to expose them and show you how to break free. Welcome to today's video, 10 money habits that are secretly keeping you poor. Do you know where all your money went last month? No? Well, you're not alone. And that's the first clue we'll explore. Habit 1. Ignoring a budget. First up, ignoring a budget. Not knowing where your money goes each month is like pouring water into a bucket with holes. It's gone before you realize it. And let's be honest, have you ever tried tracking your expenses after a night out? Habit 2. Living beyond your means. Credit cards make it easy to buy now and worry later, but that later could mean a mountain of debt. And it's not just big purchases. Tiny indulgences add up too. We'll get to those soon. Habit 3. Failing to save for emergencies. Skipping an emergency fund is another wealth killer. When life throws a curveball, you don't want to rely on high-interest loans. What's your backup plan? Calling mom? Yeah, she's done that enough. Habit 4. Impulse buying. Impulse buying is the silent assassin of your budget. That sale on shoes? Not worth the financial hangover. But it's not just shopping. There's another area we're all guilty of. Stay tuned. Habit 5. Not investing early. Not investing early is like ignoring a magic wand for wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Think of it like planting a tree. Do you want shade now or 30 years later? Habit 6. Paying only minimum credit card payments. Paying only the minimum on credit cards is a trap. It feels like progress, but interest piles up faster than you can pay it down. And speaking of interest, what about those friendly buy now, pay later options? Habit 7. Falling for buy now, pay later schemes. Buy now, pay later seems convenient, but it's a debt time bomb. The hidden costs can sneak up on you. Remember, if it feels too easy, it's probably a trap. Habit 8. Skipping retirement savings. Skipping retirement savings feels harmless when you're young, but the missed compound interest is a wealth killer. And if you think that's bad, wait until we talk about student loans. Habit 9. Mismanaging student loans. Mismanaging student loans can haunt your financial life for decades. Paying more than the minimum can save you years of debt. Think of it as breaking free from a financial ball and chain. Habit 10. Neglecting financial education. Finally, neglecting financial education keeps you from making informed decisions. Knowledge is power, and power builds wealth. Now that you know the habits to avoid, there's a powerful tool you need to master next. Breaking these habits is your first step to financial freedom. But there's one more thing. Understanding the power of compounding can turbocharge your journey to wealth. Click on our next video about the power of compounding and learn how small changes today can lead to massive wealth tomorrow. Your future self will thank you.